Today we're back at the Robert L. Tobin Land Bridge talking wildlife with Casey Cohen. Let's hear what she had to say.
One exciting new feature of San Antonio is the Robert L. Tobin Land Bridge. It connects both sides of Hardberger Park over Wurzbach Parkway, and it's one of only 2 multi-use land bridges in the whole world. So wildlife have 4 main necessities for life. That's food, water, shelter, and space. And with increased urbanization, reaching those necessities becomes harder and harder. So having these wildlife corridors like the land bridge, greenways, and greenbelts makes it easier for animals to reach those necessities. Some interesting animals that we've already captured on photo on the land bridge are coyote, white-tailed deer, possum, and cottontail rabbit. Plants and wildlife provide ecosystem services from the food that we eat to the air that we breathe, so it's important for us to protect those spaces. Because of human habitation and increased separation of those natural areas, animals have learned to adapt to humans and to meet those needs. So you might see a deer eating supplemented food in someone's yard like corn or even pet food. You might see a raccoon eating pet food on someone's backyard. You might see a snake slithering along the fence, or even like a rodent in your garage. And while those activities do meet those main needs, they're not always the best option for wildlife. Of all else, supplemental feeding is probably the most upsetting to an ecosystem. When an animal gets used to being fed by a human, it stops feeding on natural resources like plants, and it can change the plant and animal composition in an ecosystem. Moreover, when you feed wildlife, you artificially increase the population and you bring it to a point at which the ecosystem is not able to carry it anymore. You have way too many animals and not enough food, water, shelter, and space. If you do encounter wildlife in a natural area or around your home, the best thing you can do is turn and walk away. Never approach or touch wildlife. If you find a sick or injured animal, you can contact your local wildlife rehabilitator like Southern Wildlife Rescue and Rehab. But if you feel you're in immediate danger, you should definitely seek shelter and call 911. So what you can do for wildlife at your home, instead of supplementing non-natural food, is planting native vegetation. You can do that in your yard or even in pots on your patio. Not only does this vegetation provide food, but it can create space, water, and shelter for small animals like insects, spiders, lizards, and even birds. It also creates an opportunity for wildlife watching from the comfort of your home. Outside of your home, you can volunteer to pick up trash in your local parks or greenways. And there are even opportunities within parks to remove native vegetation and be involved in habitat restoration. For more information on volunteer opportunities, contact Meredith Tilley.
For more information, visit our website and follow us on social media.